Are you still using IBM Lotus Notes and planning to move to Microsoft 365? Then this video is for you.
Lotus Notes to Office 365 migration is the process of transferring your mailbox data from IBM Lotus Notes, also known as HCL Notes, to Microsoft 365.
This includes emails, contacts, calendars, attachments, and other important mailbox data. The goal is to move all your business information safely while maintaining the original folder structure and data integrity. Many organizations are switching from Lotus Notes to Office 365 because Microsoft 365 offers a modern, cloud-based platform that is easier to use and manage. It provides anywhere access to emails, larger mailbox storage, advanced security features, automatic updates, better collaboration through Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, and reduces the cost of maintaining on-premises servers. In this video, we'll show you the best way to migrate Lotus Notes to Office 365 without data loss, and how you can complete the migration smoothly using a professional solution. So, let's get started. This is the main interface of the SysTools Lotus Notes to Office 365 migration tool. In the Source section, you can choose from platforms such as Notes or Exchange. In this demonstration, we're selecting Notes, but you can choose any option based on your requirements. In the Destination section, you can choose from Microsoft 365, MS 365 Archive, or G Suite. Here, we're selecting Microsoft 365 as the destination platform. Next, move to the Workload Selection section and choose the data categories you want to include in the backup. You can selectively export items such as emails, contacts, and calendars based on your requirements. If you need to migrate data from a specific time period, enable the Date Filter option and define the desired date range. Similarly, you can repeat the same process for other data categories, such as contacts and calendars, according to your requirements. Now, click Next. In this window, enable the Connect Domino Server option. Then, enter your HCL Notes client password. Once the required permissions are in place, click Validate to verify the connection and proceed. After completing the validation permission, click Next. In this window, you have to enter the global admin email and the corresponding application ID for your destination environment. Click Validate. After validation, click Next button. On this screen, you will see three options. Fetch users to retrieve users from the source account. Import users to upload a user list manually. And Download template to get the sample format for importing multiple users. Click the Fetch Users button to automatically retrieve all available user accounts from the source. Read the prompt explaining the fetching process, then click Continue. A dialog will display the total number of fetched users found. Click OK. The list of users will appear. Select the specific users you wish to include in the migration. Search bar. Located at the top left, use this to quickly filter and find specific accounts by typing an email address or name. Show Selected toggle. Enable this toggle switch at the top to hide unselected rows, decluttering the view so you only see the accounts marked for migration. Now, enter the destination email and click Validate button. Verify that both the source and destination permission columns are glowing green for your selections. After validation, click the Start Migration button to proceed. A confirmation window will appear, displaying the license details, including the total licenses purchased, licenses currently in use, and the number of available licenses. Click the Start button. The software will then start migrating the selected users to the chosen destination account. It displays a real-time dashboard where you can monitor the migration progress. Also, you can stop the migration in between by clicking on Stop button. Once the migration is completed successfully, in Migration Actions dropdown, 3 options are available. Retry failed items to exclusively remigrate files or emails that registered as failures on the first pass, saving you from running the entire job again. Rerun full migration. Starts the migration again and migrates all selected items from the beginning. Delta migration. Migrates only the new or modified items since the last successful migration. Now, click the Download Report drop-down menu. You will see 2 options are available. Migration Summary Report downloads a high-level overview of the migration, including total, successful, failed, and skipped items. Detailed Report downloads a comprehensive log with item-level migration details, status, and any errors encountered. And that's it. That's how you can migrate your data from Lotus Notes to Office 365 using the SysTools Migrator tool. The migration is now complete, and your data has been transferred successfully. Visit the product page for more details and licensing information. For any queries, email us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.